Since 1990, we have spent millions of euros and tens of thousands of research hours to find scientific answers to life's most important and challenging questions. What makes us happy? What makes us healthy? How can we heal from physical and mental disease? How can we heal emotionally and sexually so we can be happy in our relationships? How can we develop our talents and be of value to the world? We have interviewed more than 15,000 people and asked more than 4,000 different questions. After 20 years of intensive research, we are beginning to find the answers we have been looking for so long. We have already presented these answers in 250 research papers and about 30 books. Now we bring it all to you. Development and validation of QoL5 for clinical databases. QoL5 is a short global and generic questionnaire based on an integrated theory of the quality of life. I made it together with Jes Lindholt and Eskil Hindeberg some years ago, and it has proven to be a very effective little questionnaire if you want to screen your patient for quality of life. So it takes 2 minutes to fill in, and then you know pretty much how happy your patient is and how well he or she is feeling physically and mentally. So this is what is important when you are helping a patient, that quality of life becomes better. If you're making a treatment, a drug treatment, a surgery treatment, and you're not improving quality of life, then you're not helping a patient. Very often in medicine, we are solving one problem and we are giving another. For instance, we are solving some mobility problem with surgery, but we are giving the chronic pain to the patient. So the doctor is happy when the patient is not. So to be sure that we are really helping the patient and improving the quality of life for the patient, it's important to screen the quality of life, to measure the quality of life before and after treatment. That goes also, of course, in alternative medicine and holistic medicine. When I started using these questionnaires myself, I realized that I only improved the quality of life of my patients with a few percent, like 2%. And it makes me extremely depressed, because I had to realize that I didn't do well with these people. Something was wrong. I didn't really help them. I did a lot of things and I was very happy and they were very satisfied, but they were not helped. So it's very easy to fool yourself. And the moment you're starting really measuring your patients before and after, you can see if you're actually helping. So I will strongly recommend the use of a short questionnaire on quality of life in the clinic. And this questionnaire needs to be global and generic. Global means that it measures the whole being of the person. And generic means that it can be used on all patients. Old, young, men, women. So we have made a questionnaire that fulfills these criteria. And honestly, I do not know any other that does.